guys, and welcome to Card Making with Crystal. Today I'm going to show you how to make this very cool circle tri-fold or tri-shutter card. It is so awesome. Now this card can be made for any occasion at all. I just decorated it for Christmas because it's Christmas in July. Let's make it. All you need to make this card is one sheet of paper. This is 9 inches by 6 inches. I'm going to score this on the 9 side at 1.5, 3, 6, and 7.5. Then on the 6 side at 1 1/4 and 4 3/4. So your paper should look like this. Now I am going to fold and burnish only on these lines here. So let's fold and burnish, as I said, only on the lines going down, not across. Now we're going to do a partial die cut, right? So a partial die cut is when you use one of your dies to cut up to a certain point. So I'm going to bring out my big shot machine here, and I'm going to line up this die here, but I'm going to leave a small section of the cutting off, so it's going to be like this. You see how that's lined up there so it's not going to cut that little section there. And I'm going to measure it. I'm going to center it, I should say, right here, so it's centered. Right, you're going to leave to center it. It has to have, like, I guess, 1/8 of an inch. Yep, and 1/8 of an inch. That's right, good. And then I'm going to take washi tape and hold down this die, because you're going to have to hold it down because it's a partial die cut, so it can slip in your die cutting machine. So I'll show you how I mocked it up. So I folded this on the second score line. I put the die with a little section where it would not cut the paper out here, and I'm going to cut up to right here. So to cut up to there, I'm going to turn it this way. Now I sort of showed you this in one of my videos already, but your die cutting plate has like a little lip on it where it comes down sort of a tapered edge. So I'm going to line up that tapered edge on here like so, and it should start cutting past the edge. Now what I would say is, what you want to do is not go further this way, but go further this way. So whatever it does not cut, then you could run it through the cutting machine again. So I'm going to send this in here like this. I'm going to hold this down and push my die, plates, everything inside, and I'm going to cut. Right, so my paper slipped inside, which is fine. It just means it probably didn't cut it as far as I wanted it cut. So it would look like this, and I'm going to check to see how much it cut. I think it cut properly. Let me take off this. Oh my gosh, yes, see? So that's perfect. It actually cut properly. So it cut up to this point. So let's do it again. So now we have half of the card done. Let's fold on this side and do the same thing. Right, so I'm gonna line it up again, leaving the same small piece off the edge. I'm gonna ensure that I have 1/8 of an inch on this side, yes, and 1/8 of an inch on this side. Right, make sure it has the part that is off the paper here, and then I'm gonna stick down my die with some washi tape. People are always asking what to do with washi tape. This is what you do. You use it to do craft. And I'm gonna once again send it in this way. So this is the card cut. You have your circles with their connections made. You have this on this side and this on this side. And now all you have to do is grab yourself a metal ruler or a regular ruler. I use a metal ruler because I believe when you use a regular ruler, it's sometimes this very sharp craft knife could actually cut the actual ruler. So you're going to line this up on this score line here. You're going to cut from the score line to the circle, and then from the circle to the score line. So you see that? Cut there, right? Now I'm going to line it up on this score line going across this way. So from here to here. Hey, buddy. So that's cut all the way across. See? So we got it. And let's try this side. We're going to go from here straight across to here. And now you have your card. It is beautiful. It is not very hard to make. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this piece. We're going to bend this way, bending this back. So you want this piece like this, and then you want this piece bending like this. You're going to grab your bone folder and perfectly get all score lines done. And this is your card. This is the base of your card. It looks really beautiful. See? So let's decorate this card. Thanks so much for joining me while we made this amazing card. This is the first time I've made this card. I'm not lying. It was like going around the card making world, and a lot of persons were using silhouettes or crickets to cut it, and I just figured out how to do it using my dies and my Big Shot machine. I hope you try it. If you do, leave me a comment and let me know. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you wouldn't miss any content, and stay crafty, my friend.